Hi guys, and welcome back to Patti's Southern Kitchen and More. And I am going to do a quick meal for you guys. I am going to make chicken Alfredo, and this is the pasta that I'm using. And I have two Alfredo sauces here. I'm going to use this one. If I need more, then I will use this one. And the chicken that I have here is very seasoned, and I cooked it a couple of days ago. Very well seasoned, so I'm going to use that. I have that already. And if I need seasoning, I will need some seasoning with the pasta. I'm going to use the twin garlic powder and onion powder, Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poultry Magic, Greek seasoning, and a little bit of parsley. As I said, the chicken has already been well seasoned from when I first cooked it. I have my water here boiling for the pasta, and I put salt in it. So once it starts to boil, I will put the pasta in it, and then I'll come right back. This will be a quick meal because my chicken is already done. So I will be right back. The pasta is boiling for about 8 minutes, and then I will strain it, and I will not rinse it. I'll just strain it and then put it back in the pot, and I'll put my sauce in there and my chicken that's already done, and check and see if I need seasonings. And you see dates, numbers on these jars. That's because I have gone through my pantry and put in the month and year of the best used date. So one is 10/22 and the other is 4/23. So I will be right back. Here's the chicken, and I'm going to go in with 1 jar of sauce, and I put some seasoning in there, and this is the pasta that I have already strained. And I didn't really rinse it, but I kind of ran just a little water through it. And this is my Alfredo sauce here. I may need that other jar, but right now I'm going to mix this well. And then I'm going to put it in the pot with the pasta. But I will come right back and show you and tell you if I need the other jar. I'll come right back. This is a quick meal, chicken Alfredo, and here it is. I'm putting it on the plate here, and gonna come back. Look at that. Looks good. Pasta's not overcooked or anything. So I'm gonna put it on the plate, come back, and show you what we have. And Tyler is going to be the tester. Okay, I have my tester here. He's going to taste test and tell us what it's tasting like. How is it?
It tastes delicious.
Delicious. Okay, y'all, this is Patti. Patti's Southern Kitchen and More. And this is it. And please subscribe, like, share, follow, give a thumbs up, and the notification bell. And I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye.